Hey everyone, it's Matt Man here. I am today at the Burlington Auto Spa. This is one of the longest car washes in the world. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt. Not as bad on the front, but definitely you notice it, especially right on the side here. See, there's a lot of dirt. And we're gonna go through and we're gonna see what this thing does. So let's get in the car. And we'll go in and we'll check it out. They also have some self-service bays too. So you can see the whole thing. They got like, they got a whole lot of stuff. They just we renovated this place because they had a fire. So it's new equipment. Stop right here, Brittany. That's the operating hours. Drive right on up. So you can get the express wax. We don't want to do that, but there's some of their pricing. You just drive right here. There's the tunnel wash right here. And stop right here, Brittany. Welcome. Drive on up slowly, and I'll read this to them. It says, "Welcome. You're about to enter the longest car wash in the world." You read that right. This is one of the longest car washes in the world. This was at one time the actual longest car wash, but what happened was they built one in Texas, which actually beat this one. Just drive on up. So this is a fairly new tunnel. And I've been wanting to do this for a while. My buddy Vince did this, reviews by Vince. And it did a pretty good job for him. Let's see how it does for this car. You need to roll on the window? I think he needs this. You need to give him that. Roll on the window, Brittany.
Neutral.
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 Yep. Go out the window. He's going to spray down the car. I'm not going to show him because I'm afraid. I'm not afraid, but I just don't think he'd want to be on camera. So I'll try not to show him. But this is a fairly new system. I believe this is a soft line tunnel. I forget what company makes it. You can comment and tell me. It's got two hoses though, which is kind of cool. So I don't know what he's going to do with both of them. Oh! Hands off steering, all that stuff. He's talking about the mirrors. So as you can see, we got pre-soak. And then there's a shell car wash next door, which I'm going to review as well. I may as well since I'm here. So you're going to get you'll see that one on a different day. But since we're here, we may as well review a few at least. High pressure. Now it's going to give you more soap. Here comes the brushes. Can't say I've ever been to a car wash this long. Well, such is pretty long, but not as long as this. Look at all the brushes. Got sprayers too, so it sprays the brushes. You see right there, there's some sprayers. Got a brush right here. Not too sure what the purpose of this. Oh yeah, it's hitting the car, okay. the heck? Oh, wow. Lava, sweet. I didn't expect it to be that bright though. I didn't actually expect the light at all, to be honest with you guys. That kind of got me a little bit. It's by surprise. Don't forget to pay for a hand dry. Don't forget you paid for a hand dry too, so we gotta get that. There's another brush. And another brush. I like how clean the brushes are. You can tell it's a fairly new system, and you can tell that they take care of it with how clean it is. How clean the brushes are, I mean. I don't know what it's doing now. I like that there's a little break in between to let the it's got tire shine brushes right here. Huge ones too, holy moly. I don't know if you, oh yeah, you can see that. But just look it up, wow. Those are some big brushes. This is pretty sick. They also have a location in Mississauga, which I will review another time. It's pretty similar to this. Another top brush. And another side brush. Sorry if I'm not getting everything. And then we got the Rain-X, which we also got. And it's giving more pre-soak or something. Maybe it's wax. Could be wax. That could be pre-soak. No, it's wax. It's wax. I was right. Now, there we go. Nice little rinse. There's a lot going on here, guys. Tire shine. Dryer zone. So they got, oh geez, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on, I'll count in a minute and I can see it better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They gotta have at least 10 to 15 dryers on this thing. Wow. These are a lot of dryers, and I believe these might be McNeil dryers. I can't really.
Yeah, McNeil.
Yeah, they're McNeil.
Wow, that's impressive.
You can see the car wash right behind us. There's nobody in it, so you got a better view of it now. Usually this place is jam-packed. I'm glad we came at a good time. And then we were going to get the hand dry. I'm not too sure how that works, but it was only $3 for the hand dry, so I figured why not. I looked at the pricing. And we got this light right here which tells you when to leave. Alright, Brittany, you can drive. But before we go in for the hand dry, let's see how this thing did. That was impressive. I think it was, I can't remember how long it was, but that was very impressive. Let's take a quick look. Let's see how she did. The heck? That's a first. Dirt right there. So it didn't get all the dirt. We may have to do a rewash. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to it. That was okay, but you know, I expect it to get all the dirt for how big it is. Anyway, that is it for now. This is the auto spa in Burlington. The ultimate car wash and detailing. But it didn't get all the dirt. Anyway, let me know what you guys thought of that, and I will see you on the next one. This is Matt Man signing off. Bye, buddy.